Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to explain how to implement the reaction events. So if user click the like button or dislike button in the Teams, bot react on that. How to implement? Let's start. So first thing is we have to change this class, base class type, activity handler. Activity handler, it's handle only up to bot framework. Sorry, not bot framework, specific bot related events like normal channel add, member added, member removed, like that it will handle. If you come to the teams, there are team specific event handler is available. For example, if any new team created or a channel renamed, there are so many things, okay, events. So those events has implemented in the teams activity handler. There's a helper function actually. So we're going to derive from this class. So for that, first we have to import the class. That class is available in the core teams, bot builder core team, from bot builder dot core import team. Sorry, one thing missed. Teams import team activity handler. So our class should derive from this one, team activity handler. To handle the reactions, there are two functions available. One is the reactions added and another one is the reactions removed. So both we are going to see now. Async def seems to be some issue. It's not coming. We'll see. I just type it. Yeah, it's coming. Reactions added. This function has a three argument. Of course, default self, and another one is the reactions type. Sorry, reactions, not type, reactions. The third argument is the turn context. So reaction type is available in the schema message reaction. So message reaction is a list of reactions. So we have to import list also from typing import list. Message reaction. The third argument is the turn context. That's it. So what we are going to do, I'm just loop the list function and return the values, whatever the user send, I just return it. So for message reaction in reactions, wait turn context dot send activity added. Let's say added message dot OI intelligent seems to be not working. Type. That's it. Make sure seems to be working. Confirm it. Yeah. Oh, sorry, missed out. Colon. Yeah, working. Another function is a message reaction removed. All are same, only the difference is only function name is differ, rest everything same. So diff on reaction removed. I copy paste the same code. So only changes removed. That's it. Save. Make sure line number 33. What is it? 33. Oh, it's not needed. Build 32. Oh, missed that. Restart. Okay, fine. Now start the bot application. It started. Go to Teams. So I said hello. First time it will take time to react to respond your message. Yes, its response is coming. You said hello. Now I like it. Oh, some problem. We'll fix it. Go back to the code. Bot. Somewhere here is some problem. This is the issue. Fine. So typing fast mistake. Okay, save it and restart the application. Go back to team. Again, we send message. Hello. Now I am right. Yeah, as I said already, first time it will take time. Okay. Hello, I am right. Now I'm just going to click like button. Here you see added like. So this function get invoked. Go back to here. This function get invoked. If I remove again, maybe I'll put one more like. See, automatically heart removed and new heart. Sorry, automatically like has removed and added the heart. If you remove specifically like if you remove, don't no need to click this any one of these items. You directly remove this one. See removed heart. So this function get invoked. Okay. Yeah, this is the way we have to implement the reactions. Okay, guys. Thanks. Bye.